Mayors and councillors are living in abject poverty, with many walking long distances, forced to sleep in dingy places and exposed to corruption due to difficult economic situations they find themselves in, it has been established. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Councillors who are supposed to drive policies for local authorities, where they also delve into multi-million-dollar projects, were recently awarded a paltry of $80, up from a $7 equivalent. Too small an amount that have seen them failing to productively act and ensure service delivery. Debating a motion in Parliament on the welfare of the elected local authority officials, Proportional Representation Nomsa Chaimvura ZANU-PF said the councillors were in a sorry state and are being forced into beggars. The issue that I want to highlight is how they clothe themselves. They do not wear clothes which are honorable. You find some councillors walking long distances in order to meet people whom they lead in their communities, and sometimes they fail to meet stipulated meeting times. You find councillors requesting for transport from the people they serve. This does not augur well with the people. Rural councillors are in a dire state, where you find people who do not have accommodation representing people as councillors. This is today's news about poverty stalking mayors and councillors. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.